Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see the best apps for travelers to stay connected. 1. Google Travel. Use it for flight research, destination tips, or hotel reviews. It is great for comparing flight options via Google Flights, or you can explore places to visit. 2. Hopper. Use it for tracking and booking flights, and it helps you predict the best time to book, sends price drop notifications, and you can book directly in app with small commission fees. 3. Road Trippers. Use it for planning scenic and quickly road trips. You can discover attractions, restaurants, campgrounds, and more across the US, Canada, and Mexico. Also, create custom routes with multiple stops. 4. Tripcase. Use it for creating detailed automated itineraries. It can help you forward confirmation emails, work both on web and mobile, and it's easy to manually add or adjust plans. And finally, Airbnb. Use it for finding unique accommodations and local experiences. Book anything from single rooms to entire villas. Also features experiences like guided tours, classes, and cooking workshops. It is big. Inspire, visuals, and traveler reviews help guide your choice. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.